I found out that this plant is an evening primrose. I didn't know what it was, so I had to ask around. But I like it, it's pretty. There's another view of it. Evening primrose. A pretty little flower. And here's my catmint, all in its full glory. Good morning. I thought I'd come out and dig in my potato patch. They look like they're ready for me to do something about them. I have some onions here that are getting ready to pick too. I might pick onions and potatoes. Are you ready to go along with me? Let's go. Okay, not sure just exactly what you can see. The way I got the camera pointed, I don't think you're seeing everything here. Let me see if I can. You're seeing the potato. Oh, now you're just seeing nothing. How about that? Let me stop the camera here for a second. Okay, I still don't think you're seeing what you need to be seeing, but I'm going to go ahead and dig here anyway. I can't get the camera pointed in the right direction, and there's no way that I can hold the camera and dig potatoes at the same time. Okay, so we've got an onion. Oh, this is a good sized potato. Let's see. A little one there. Some little ones on the potato, on the bush itself. Good sized one. And a smallish one. A very small onion, which I'm going to probably replant somewhere else. Let me grab this. Doesn't look like, at least those two bushes didn't produce much. Let's see what we got under here. There's another small one. There at all. Down a little. Whoop! I just dropped you again. Okay, well, digging that area out right there, I didn't get much. I just got, that's all I got from 3 bushes. 1, 2, 3, 4 big, well 5 and a bunch of little ones, little bitsy ones. So these, they look like they're ready to be picked, so let's see hopefully we have a little more here. Let's see if I will try to dig and this onion definitely looks ready. Okay, onion. Little bitsy. A small potato. Okay, yeah. Where we at here? Small. Okay, onion. Nothing there. That looks like the one that I originally planted. That's interesting. Okay. So, well, that's more like it. I don't know if we're showing them on the, yeah. Got 2 nice ones right there. Well, I guess it wasn't a total failure. This is my shadow out of the way. This is what I got. But I left a lot of the plants still in the ground because they hadn't made any potatoes yet, and the seed potato was still very viable on the end, so I just left them there. And I picked the majority of the onions, although not all of them, and we'll leave these to go for a while more and see if we by any chance get some more potatoes. So that's it for potato hunting for this morning. There's a closer look at my harvest for this morning. At least I got that much. I can always be thankful for what I do have, even when the harvest is small. God is good all the time. Oh, whenever I hold the phone with that hand, my hand is in the way. Well, like I said, it wasn't a total bomb, but it was like, I think next year I might try where you lay the potatoes on top of the ground and then cover them up with stuff. People videos I've been watching seem to have better luck with that than they do putting them in the ground. We've had some mole issues out there too, so I don't know if moles like potatoes or not. Anyway, I'll have enough there for 2 or 3 meals. Well, maybe 4 or carb meals. Hubby doesn't eat much in the way of potatoes. He likes them, but he keeps saying, oh, that's too many carbs. Well, they came out of my garden. They're nutritious carbs. Anyway, got busy and did that this morning. It's supposed to get in mid-80s today. So that's not too bad, actually. I think 84 is what it was projected. I'm gonna itch. Hold on. I had an itch on my arm that I just had to do something about. You know how that goes. The tomatoes are still looking good. Nothing's come ripe yet, but I have more and more little ones coming on. They'll probably all get ripe at the same time. That's okay. I can figure out what to do with them easily. So what did I do yesterday? I made a batch of yogurt. Oh, and I cooked some beans in my Instant Pot. And it had beans, and I flavored them with bacon. Hold on. Okay. My husband went past. He said, who are you saying hold on to? The people I'm talking to. Anyway, let's see. Oh, and then when I got done with cooking my beans, I cleaned out my Instant Pot and made a batch of yogurt. And yummo, I love my homemade yogurt. And it's so easy to do in the Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot and you like homemade yogurt, I suggest you get one. It's worth the investment. Ooh, you can tell I've been out digging. I think my fingers are dirty. Digging in the garden. There's a song that I used to teach the kids when I was teaching school about a garden, and I'm not thinking of it exactly in my head right now. And even if I sang it or played it, I'd probably get a copyright ding, because YouTube seems to be pretty particular about what songs we play. I'm just sitting out here enjoying the breeze. I'm going to lay out the potatoes and the onions there so they can get cured a little bit before I try cleaning them off or anything. They'll clean off better when the mud is dry. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but my little water feature I can hear. I haven't walked out to the big water feature this morning to know whether hubby got water turned on out there or not. Anyway, like I showed you yesterday in my video, it finally has clean water. But it's kind of breezy this morning. He has a tendency to turn the water off when it's breezy because the water just blows out into the air and evaporates instead of going where it's supposed to go. Well, I think I'll sign off for today. Not a super long video. Not too terribly full of information except for learning how to dig up potatoes and realizing I really do need to change methods. I've got more potatoes growing in a couple of other spots, but they're not anywhere near ready yet because I planted them at different times. Oh, hold on, let's see if we can... Oh, it flew away. It must have known I was going to put the camera on. There was a hummingbird up there. Phooey, I didn't get to show it to you. That's all right. I'll be sitting out here at other times when the hummingbirds are doing their thing. They're such beautiful little birds. I love them. They're so amazing because they're so little and petite, beautiful. Well, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really like it if you did. And hit that like button. Most of all, make some comments. I love it when you all make comments. I don't respond with words to all of them, but I try to at least give you a like and a love, a love and a like and a love, I guess that's what I'm trying to say, on your comments so that you know that I've seen them. Because it means a lot to me. It helps me feel connected to the people who are watching my videos. I know my daughter and my grandson watch my videos. Hi, Donica. Hi, Duncan. Hi, Micah. I love you both. Oh, look at my dirty hands. Dirty, dirty. Dirty is as dirty does. Well, if cleanliness is next to godliness, I think I better go in the house and wash my hands. What do you say? Until the next video, which maybe tomorrow, maybe in a day or two. Until then, may the good Lord richly bless you. Bye.